Alright guys, so another meme review for Dank Memes for 8push Teens. I'm sorry, I forgot to do one on Friday, so this makes this meme particularly apropos. If you don't know that word, you should learn it. Alright, so this comes to us from our own Jason Nisbet, Jason with a C. Alright, so let's take a look at it. Mr. Costanzo doesn't post a new episode of Dank Memes for 8push Teens. Lie down, try not to cry a lot. Listen, if I were at school, this would go up on the meme wall like that. So when we are back, this will be up on the meme wall. I should make this poster sized because it's, of course, about me. And you know, I love that. Love me some me. So that sounds disgusting. It sounds like all this nonsense about self love and self esteem. You know how I feel about that stuff. So awesome, awesome meme. Love it. 10 out of 10. 10's all the way around. Not even giving it a fat score because it's not even fat with a PH. It's fat with an F. So thank you, Jason. I really enjoyed this. This is phenomenal.